Weem Hotep Nepharem Kemet. Welcome in great peace to Egypt. I am Ankhef the carpenter. Once again, I have crossed the time barrier to your current time. After talking last time about my craft, it is time to show you the products of our woodwork. As carpenters, we could manufacture a variety of furniture, such as tables, jewelry boxes, beds, chairs and stools, chests, statues, coffins, handles of tools and weapons, chariots, doors, jambs and lintels, boats. Now I will show you some of the furniture, which we manufactured in our carpentry workshops. Of course, you'll prefer the furniture of royalty, so I will start with the assembled bedroom of Queen Hetep-Heres. She is the mother of King Khufu, who built the Great Pyramid. This preceded my time by more than 600 years. It is about 4,600 years from your current time. She was a daughter of a king, a wife of one king, the mother of the next king, and the grandmother of two more kings. Which means she tied two dynasties together. Her burial was hidden in a secret chamber nearly 55 cubits underground, which is about 90 feet according to your measurement. It embraced beautiful pieces of gilded and inlaid wooden furniture, gold-encased rods used to frame a canopy or tent, jewelry, a canopic chest, and an alabaster sarcophagus. Most contents of the tomb were highly ruined. This hidden chamber was discovered in 1925 of your current time. The excavator opened the sarcophagus after 2 years. Alas, it was found empty. Where is the body of the queen? How could they preserve her funerary furniture and lose her body? Your Egyptologists have different explanations. They don't know the truth. But I know it. Anyway, it is time to go back to the furniture of the queen. Everything was highly ruined like ashes. Fortunately, the chief restorer Ahmed Yousef did a great job. He could restore and reconstruct the bedroom from ashes. I think he was a competent carpenter as well, like us. I am happy and proud of him as one of our descendants who counts among the greatest restorers and of course carpenters in the world. Now, let us go back to Queen Hetep-Heres. After its reconstruction, the bed canopy was found to be made of wooden bars covered with leaflets of gold. It could embrace the rest of the furniture. So, this is an armchair with papyrus flower decoration. It is covered with gold leaflets. Parts of the bars of the bed canopy can be seen. This is a replica of an armchair, with inlays of standards of goddess Neith on both faces of the back, with a hawk standing on a palm column on arms and covered with gold. Here is the queen's litter, or palanquin. It is made of wood with frames of inscribed gold. This is the gilded wooden bed with a headrest and inlaid footboard. The bed length is about 3 cubits and a half. That is about 177 centimeters according to your measurements. Here we have the curtain box with inscriptions and gold covers, and it is inlaid with faience. This is a chest with gold covers. It has an inlaid lid with text and min emblem decoration. It contains a box and a stand with 8 inscribed alabaster ointment jars, a copper toilet spoon, a gold-covered and inscribed box containing silver bracelets with a butterfly design, and a headrest of wood that is covered with gold and silver, but is not inscribed. Among the finds was the alabaster canopic chest with 4 compartments. 2 of them embrace solid remnants of the queen's viscera, and the other 2 have liquid. This means that the queen was mummified, and her inner organs were preserved here. Everything was kept in this hidden chamber in order and with respect. Surely, they took a long time in such a preparation. They knew exactly what they were doing. And if they carefully preserved the viscera, how come her body wasn't found in her sarcophagus? All your suggestions are not true. But I know the truth. This needs another episode. But in the next episode, I'll complete this story with King Khufu's boat. Ahmed Yousef, this great restorer, could also rebuild the funerary boat of the Queen's son, King Khufu, which is a great woodwork as well. This took him more than 20 years of diligent work. He reconstructed it from 1,224 pieces. These had been laid in a logical, disassembled order in a pit beside the pyramid. The pit was discovered in 1954 according to your current time. Finally, in 1982 the boat was displayed in a boat-shaped museum at the pyramid's southern side. Khufu's boat was made of cedar and is one of antiquity's oldest, largest, and best-preserved vessels. It is about 88 by 12 cubits, which in your measurements is about 44 meters long and 6 meters wide. You consider it the world's oldest intact ship. So, it is described as a masterpiece of woodcraft. We can see it from 3 levels in its old museum. Its depth is 1.78 m. The ship has 10 oars, with 5 on each side, and their lengths range between 6.5 and 8.5 m. There are 2 cabins, one for the king and the other for the captain. The rudder is 2 large oars, and the boat weighs about 45 tons. Not a single metal nail was used in its building. Instead, ropes were used to bind the engaged pieces together. Depending on the swelling of the wood when it is wet, it could sail today if put into a lake or a river. But now, it has been transferred to the new Grand Museum in 2021. That is the end of the story today. The next episode will tackle the furniture of King Tutankhamun. So long.
Make sure to tune into my next videos. If you have any thoughts or questions, add them to your comments. Kindly press the like, share and subscribe buttons. I'm Farag al-Sharabasi. See you in the next episodes. Thank you.